to the next color without changing it too much. So I'm almost softening certain areas. Like I want that to stand out, so I want to make that slightly more darker. Look there. Now that pops. Yeah. Can you see? So it's a very thin layer of paint. That is the light section. She's got it there already. Okay? That's this skin tone, this color here. Now I can add lighter areas by adding a little bit more white to that skin tone color. You can see this is lighter than that. Okay? Okay, so now I'm saying, okay, but it can just guide you. Now look how nice that looks. Now what happens if I put now this is pretty wet, and I want it wet, so now I don't really want that to run. Now I'm going to put a very hot red, which I'm looking for.
The red should be
a hot red. Oh, that's a cold.
Okay, this one?
Okay, yeah, a hot red I want to put over that, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So when you do it over the wet paint, it's going to be like Vaseline over the wet paint. Hold the brush very flat, a lot of paint, very flat. This is the brightest part. Now look what happened there. Can you see? Can you see Vaseline? It almost smears itself.